I'm super excited about sharing this with you guys. What am I talking about? Well, let's jump into this together. Welcome to this episode of DIY3dtech.com. In this episode, I want to share this sort of toolbox pencil holder, which I designed up in Inkscape, printed on the Ortur laser. And for those out there that are going to correct me, I don't like the real name of it, so I call it the Ortur laser. So anyways, with that little public service announcement aside, I want to share this with you guys. So this is one of the reasons that I purchased that large bed laser, is to be able to take big pieces of cardboard I get from all these Amazon boxes and sort of recycle it into something cool. And here you go. I'll have links to this down below so you can get the SVG files, import them into Lightburn, and create your own. Now, the idea behind this is, again, you can put pencils or whatever you want into it. And again, I want to talk about the design of this a little bit. Now, one of the things for the handle, what I did is I actually doubled up two pieces. So this is actually a little bit thicker than these down here, because this is 3mm cardboard. It's pretty high quality cardboard, actually. And what I did is I sistered these two together using some glue. Now, one of the other pieces that I have found in working with cardboard is I actually use a bit of just regular wood glue, but one of the things I've found is it actually makes the cardboard soggy. So one of the things I've actually gone to doing is using E6000 glue for this. It takes a lot less, dries quicker, and I don't have the soggy cardboard effect, which really sometimes gives me some problems when I'm trying to insert these tabs. The other big piece is, if you're working to design this, is also the tab size itself. So one of the things, these were made to exactly 3mm, but again, you have the curve of about 0.2, 0.3 millimeters, which leaves them less than proud or even with the side of this. Now, it works, not a problem, but again, something as I'm going through the design process, I need to remember to leave it at least 0.2 to 0.3 millimeters proud of my actual measurements to get a little bit more interface between the two. So for this, again, it's pretty good. It's kind of cute, a little toolbox thing, and you can kind of carry it. And again, great craft show project, because again, with this, you don't have to spend a lot of money in materials. Most of it will find its way to your doorstep for free, and you're saving it from the landfill. So I think that's actually pretty cool, the reuse. And again, you can decorate it with the kids, you can spray paint it, you can do all kinds of cool things with it. So I'm getting really excited about using this laser to laser up cardboard and things like that. Also, in the overlay I've been doing, where I assemble this, one of the things you notice is I use wax paper, because again, with wax paper, the glue really doesn't want to stick to it. So to get it actually to go together, I glue the one side, then I set it down on the wax paper, and I glue this side. And if I do this, especially the E6000 wants to stick to something, and that's not a good thing, but the wax paper pulls right off. So handy little tip for you guys. So hopefully you found this interesting. Whoops. I'll have the links to this below, so if you want a laser cut something like this, feel free to grab the SVGs, just import them in the Lightburn, and choose your favorite cardboard settings, and off to the races you can go. So with that, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe over there, swag shop up there, and we'll catch you in the next video where we design and build something else cool. Cheers.
Please click like below and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date on all of our projects.